Namaste all the students in ninth standard. In this lecture we are going to learn mathematics part first and the chapter 1, that is sets. Observe the picture. What is your observation? Flower of bucket is there, bunch of keys there, flock of birds, pile of notebooks, collection of numbers. Now these all are collections. Here collection of keys, here collection of flowers, here collection of birds, collection of notebooks and collection of numbers. So all these types of word, that is bucket, bunch, flock, pile, collection, are used specifically for collection. But in mathematics, the word set is used for collection. Let us understand it in deeply. For example is there. Consider the example happy children in the village. म्हणजे आपल्या गावामधील हुशार विद्यार्थ्यांची आपल्याला यादी करायची आहे. तर अशा वेळी हुशार विद्यार्थी, हुशार मुले म्हणजे नेमकं काय? What is the definition of happiness is here? So happiness is undefined. It is not defined. Therefore, it is not a set. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल ब्रिलियंट स्टुडंट्स ऑफ द क्लास. तुमच्या वर्गातील हुशार विद्यार्थी. व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ब्रिलियन्सी हिअर? ब्रिलियंट वर्ड इज नॉट डिफाईन्ड स्पेसिफिकली. आपण असं विशिष्ट पद्धतीने याला डिफाईन करू शकत नाही, किंवा आपण वर्गातील एखाद्या विद्यार्थ्याला हा ब्रिलियंट आहे आणि हा ब्रिलियंट नाही अशा पद्धतीने त्यांचं क्लासिफिकेशन करू शकत नाही. सो वी कॅनॉट एनलिस्ट द स्टुडंट्स विच आर ब्रिलियंट इन द क्लास. Therefore, these two examples are not of sets. Now consider days of a week. आठवड्यातील वार. We can say the definite 7 days in a week. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So it is definite. The set is definite. We can define it well. So it is a set. Now months in a year, yes, it is also defined. We can tell the 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So these are the 12 months in year. So it is also definite set. Now brave children in the class. Can you define this child is brave or this is not brave? What is the definition of bravery? No, we cannot define bravery. Therefore, it is not a set. First 10 counting numbers. Yes, it is well defined. Can you tell it? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the counting numbers up to 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these are the first 10 counting numbers. So it is clear that the set is well defined and no doubt in our mind about the set. Therefore, days in a week, it is a set. Months in a year, it is a set. But brave children in the class, it is not well defined set. Then first counting numbers, it is a set. Now, strong forts in Maharashtra. So, lot of forts are there in Maharashtra, but can you define which is strong and which is not strong? It is also not a definite concept. We cannot say, we cannot define the strong fort here, so we cannot enlist them. Therefore, it is not a set. Then planets in our solar system, yes, it is well defined set, and we can name or enlist them, the planet in our solar system. So there are 8 planets in our solar system, we know that. Now let us turn over a definition of set. Understand the definition. We, if we can definitely or clearly decide the object of a given collection, then that collection is called as a set. So each component, each object must be definite and clear. There is no any doubt about the objects. Therefore, definitely and clearly decided objects are called as set. So generally we use letter capital A, capital B, capital C up to capital Z. These letters are used to show the name of set, and letter small a, small b, small g up to small z, these letters are used to show the elements in a set. Here A is the element of set A, and it is shown by this sign belongs to. So it can be read as A belongs to A, means A is the element in a set A. Then another mathematics statement, A does not belongs to capital A or set A, means A is not element of set A. So we should use these two signs. For this sign is used for belongs to, and this sign is used for not belongs to. Now let us observe the following sets. From 5th standard we have learning the counting numbers, the natural numbers. So the set of natural numbers shown by capital N, n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the numbers in a set of natural numbers. Also 0 and natural numbers become set of whole numbers. So whole numbers set W, capital letter W is used for that. W is equal to, in the curly bracket, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So note that how to write set. Firstly, we have to give the name for set, then equal sign, then curly bracket starts, then list of elements by given comma between them, and then end of the curly bracket. So curly bracket is used to set the components, the elements of the set, and all set is, each element is separated by comma. Let us see another set, set of integers. We know that set of integers have some negative numbers, some positive numbers, and 0 which is neither positive nor negative. Therefore this set can be written as dot 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 comma negative 3 comma negative 2 comma negative 1 comma 0 comma positive 1 comma positive 2 and so on. So this is the set of integers. Also we know that set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers, we have defined it earlier, and if you want to write this set, you can write this as x is equal to p upon q, where p and q belongs to integers and q does not equal to 0. That is set of rational numbers. Now set of real numbers. Set of real numbers is included all the types of rational numbers and all the types of irrational numbers. We have seen what is the rational numbers, which are the irrational numbers in 8th standard. So method of writing sets, we have some exercise here. Fill in the blanks given in the following table. Can you done it? Yes. Please fill in the blanks. First column is for listing method and second column is for rule method. We have to complete the blanks. So blank is here, blank is here. First example for understanding. Now consider second. A is a set of the element x such that x is a perfect square between 1 to 20. So it can be written as b is equal to perfect square. First perfect square is 1, next perfect square is 4, next perfect square is 9, next perfect square is 16, and next perfect square is 25, but we want number up to 20 only. Therefore b is equal to 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16 is the required set by listing method. Now c is equal to a e I o u. So can you hear a e I o u? What are the a e I o u? Yes, these are the vowels in English language. Therefore we can write this set by a rule method. C is equal to, or C is the set of the element x such that x is vowel in English. X is vowel in English. Now next, D is a set of element y such that y is a color in rainbow. So can you enlist the colors in a rainbow? Roy G. Bew. I am writing here only the first letter. Understand the color or remember this color by the name Roy G. Bew. So R means red, O means orange, Y means yellow, G means green, B means blue, I means indigo, and V means violet. So these are the 7 colors in a rainbow, Roy G. Bew. So while you are writing in your notebook, you have to write the full form like red, orange, yellow. I am just writing here for understanding. Roy G. Bew. Next example, P is a set of all element x such that x is an integer and it lies between negative 3 to negative 3 to positive 3, means x is greater than negative 3 and less than positive 3. So can you list them? P is equal to, in the curly bracket, so x is greater than negative 2 means negative 3 means negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1, positive 2. So P is equal to, in the curly bracket, negative 2 comma negative 1 comma 0 comma 1 and comma 2. Now next, M is equal to 1 comma 8 comma 27 comma 64 comma 125. Observe these numbers. Which rule is showing here? Yes, these are the cube numbers. So these are cube numbers. 1 is the cube of 1, 8 is the cube of 2, 27 is the cube of 3, 64 is the cube of 4, and 125 is the cube of 125 is the cube of 5, and so on. So these are the numbers, cubic number are here. So how this set can be written as? In rule method. By rule method we can write it as M is the set of element x such that x is equal to cube of n, x is equal to cube of n, and n belongs to capital N. So in this way you are just here observing how to write set by listing method, how to write set by rule method. This is again